Help me get to 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I'll subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Share this video with your friends and family. Please, I'm begging you. I do anything. Like this video. Please, I'm begging. I do anything. Comment down below. Please, I'm begging. I do anything. Hit that red subscribe button. Please, I'm begging. I do anything. And also, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. So I can have some extra watch time average and views both. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Today's date is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Also, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging. So I can have some extra watch time average and views both. baby. Paul, shake hands. Paul, shake hands. Paul, shake hands. Paul, shake hands. Give me Paul, baby, Paul. Shake my hand. Shake my hand. Nice to meet you. Baby, Paul, shake hands. You wanna give me Paul? Shake hands. Baby, Paul. Give me Paul, shake hands. You don't wanna do it? Okay. You wanna give me Paul? Shake hands? And you gotta do it. Casper, Paul. Paul, give me Paul. Shake hands. Casper, Paul. Give me Paul. Shake hands. Oh, you don't want to do it neither? Good job, baby. Good job, Casper. Y'all last for 15 minutes. Going on 16 minutes. Almost 20 minutes. Good boy. You last for 15 minutes, you and baby. Good job, Casper. Almost 16 minutes. Good boy. You and baby be side by side for 15 minutes. Or 29. That'd be good. That'd be almost 30 minutes. If y'all could be beside my side for 29 minutes, that'd be good. Good job, baby. Good job, baby. You and Casper last for 16 minutes. Good girl. Good girl, baby. You last for 16 minutes. Good boy, Casper. He lasts for 16 minutes. Let me be beside y'all. Good girl, baby. Y'all last for 16 minutes. and the sun's out. Yeah, on our 17 minutes. Keep it up, baby. Good boy, Casper. It's almost 17 minutes that you and baby last. Keep it up. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. And also, the whole video, I'm going to hit no on alternate content. Everything in this video is real, including my voice. So I hit no on that. Repeat, everything in this video is real, including the cats and my voice. So alternate content, I'll check no. Because this video is real. Part of the garage, part of the house, part of the vehicles, that is real. Mostly showing the cats for y'all, for content, that is real. Alternate content, if everything is AI based, if the whole video is AI, voice, that includes voice, video, background, etc. But everything in this video is real, so alternate content, I hit no. Congratulations, Casper. Congratulations, buddy. You and baby both last for 18 minutes. Mostly you. Congrats, Casper. Congratulations, buddy. Good job, Casper. You baby both last for 18 minutes. Mostly you. Good job, buddy. Me beside my side. At least you let me be beside your side, okay? Not being under the post or nothing. Just being shown, okay? You be beside my side or I'll be beside yours. It's almost 19 minutes. Good job, Casper. Congratulations, buddy. Good job, Casper. Yeah, buddy. Good job. Good job. You just have a pat on that head. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. And also, everything in this video is real. So, on the alternate content, Google, YouTube, if you're watching this on the alternate content, I will hit no. Because everything in this video is real. The cats, part of the garage and the vehicles, and my voice, for example, etc. It's real. Everything in this video is real, including the background. It's not AI based. But sometimes YouTube, Google, y'all need to listen on this. Y'all, sometimes I'll mess up AI, like AI voice, the AI text-to-speech with the real word, with the real place of the cats. That's, I'll tell you the truth, I do got speech problems, so I let AI text-to-speech say some stuff for me. But the rest of this video is my voice, it's not AI, it's real. Because I don't got no words to say that I can't pronounce, so, yeah. Good job, Casper. You last for 20 minutes. Well, 21 minutes now. Good job, you last for 21 minutes. A few more minutes, it'll be 29. About 8 or 7 minutes. That'll be 29 minutes. Yeah. You'll last for a whole 29 minutes, Casper. Good job, boy. If you last for 29 minutes, that'd be good. Good boy, Casper. You last for 21 minutes. Can you believe that, Casper? 21 minutes? Yeah. You last for 21 minutes. Congratulations, Casper. Good job. That's going to be 22 minutes, okay? Just stay right there, okay? Stay right beside me, or let me be beside you still, okay? Or behind you, okay? Oh, there it is, 22 minutes. Good job, Casper. Good job, Casper. 22 minutes. You last. Congratulations. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below. Like the video. Give it some views. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. Please, I'm begging y'all for doing all that. And also, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some actual watch time hours and views both. And also, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. If y'all still watching this video all the way through, if y'all still watching, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all so I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. If y'all still watching this video, then please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please. I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything so I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. And like I said in the previous video, everything in this video is real. 100% real. It's 0% AI. It's 0% AI and 100% real. So YouTube, Google, if you both still listening, so on the alternate content, I will hit no on this video because everything in this video is real, 100%, and 0% AI, 0% fake, 0% AI, and 100% real. Now, y'all, I'll tell you the truth, I do got speech problems, some of them, some words I can't pronounce, and also I am 22 years old. Y'all, I appreciate if you help me reach my goal on YouTube, 500 million subscribers on YouTube, to make me day. I'm 22 years old and I got autism spectrum disorder. I am disabled. I've got autism spectrum disorder. That's one of my goals, 500 million subscribers for my disorder. Y'all supporting me and all that stuff. I've got autism spectrum disorder. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please. I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. Today's date is Tuesday, March 26th, 2024. Good job, Casper. Goodbye. It's another 18 minutes. Good job, boy. Keep it up. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Keep it up. Almost 19 minutes. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. Good job, Casper. It's another 19 minutes. Good boy. Good boy. You be just like Matt's. Good boy. It's either you be by my side or I'll be beside yours. You just walk around and I'll follow you. Goodbye, Casper. It's gonna be another 20 minutes. So 17 plus 4, that'd be baby. 17 plus 4. 18, 19, 20, 21. 17 plus 4 equals 21. Baby lasts 21 minutes. That's 17 plus 4. Because this video 4 minutes. That's the last. Other one, she lasts 17. So that's equal to 17 plus 4 is 21. Baby lasts for 21 minutes. You last for 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes for you, Casper. Goodbye. That's a good boy. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. Another 20 minutes for you. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, you are. Going on another 21 minutes for you. Yep, it's another 21 minutes. Good job, Casper. If it gets 23 minutes, to last longer. Good boy, Casper. 21 minutes. On another video. Good job. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, him is. Baby is a good girl. Going on another 22 minutes, Casper. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. Good boy, Casper. Going on another 22 minutes. Good boy. Yep. 22 minutes. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. That's another 22 minutes. Good boy. If you can wait 2 more minutes, last more than the other video. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. Good boy. Another 23 minutes, Casper. Keep it up. It's almost 29 minutes. Good boy, Casper. Almost 29 minutes. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. Good boy. You last for 23 minutes. You baby. See, your baby can have it just like Matt's. Y'all, it's March 22nd, y'all. And Matt's, M-A-H, Matt's, he's still missing. He's not been found yet. So we're gonna probably have to get another kitten for somebody that looks like Matt's. I name him Matt's Jr. Matt's J.R. J-N-O, Matt's Jr. Good boy, Casper. You last for 24 minutes. Yeah, and on this video, another video was 22 and 23 seconds. This one was 24 minutes. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. Good boy, Casper. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. Good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Yeah. Almost 25 minutes. Yes, Sam is. 25 minutes almost. It's 25 minutes, Casper. You last for 25 minutes in the video. Congratulations, good boy. 25 minutes in the video. Yay! Good boy, Casper. Good boy. Just like you said, Matt. You let's just let me follow you around. Good boy, Casper. It's almost 29 minutes. It's almost 29 minutes. Ooh, Casper. Almost 26 minutes. Yeah. Good boy, Casper. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. 26 minutes. Yep. You last for 26 minutes. It's not 26 minutes. Good job, boy. Good job, Casper. Good job. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. That's a good boy. Yes, he is. That's a good boy. It's going out 27 minutes. Oh, good boy. You're lasting long, Casper. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all so I can have some extra watch time hours and views both. Good boy, Casper. That's 27 minutes. Yeah, that's 27 minutes, boy. Yeah, 27 minutes. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. I'll subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging.